Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from Howlogical, and in this video I am going to show you how to change your currency into Airbnb using your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to change your currency into Airbnb, you just simply have to open any of your browser into your computer, then after that open the site of airbnb.com. And now, after coming into this section, you will get to see so many options into here. And one of them is this option with the dollar sign. As you can see here, my currency is currently set into Australian dollar. Now, in order to change the currency, just simply tap into this option, and after tapping into there, you can select all of the available currencies into here. Now I'm changing it to Japanese yen from this section, and as you can see here, my currency is successfully changed from Australian dollar to Japanese yen. This way you can also change your currency into Airbnb. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.